When it comes to installing a Furlerboom, getting the details right really matters. I'm Julien Renault from Fortis Marine, representing X-Yachts in the UK. We've done quite a few of these installations now, and over time we've really refined the process. It all starts with careful measurements and planning. We then step by step fit everything so the system works smoothly and reliably. The goal is simple: making sailing easier and more enjoyable for the owner. What's important to us is not just fitting the equipment, but making sure the owner is comfortable using it too. So once everything's installed, we take the boat out, run through the system together and show how it all works. By the time they leave, they know exactly how to use it and can trust that everything is set up properly.
So first sail of the season, Martin, thank you for taking us out. And yeah, what did you think of the first experience with the Furlerboom?
Great. I mean, we picked a fantastic day, and it's good to get out. So experience was much easier than I anticipated. Not that technical. Bit of practice and
what struggle did you have before?
Before, well, it became the biggest job and the most hated job of the sail was putting it away. Yeah. And slab reefing. I can't see the difference in the shape of the sail or anything like that to what we've got now. But the difference is that you can put this away in a minute or 2 minutes, whereas before it was just stuffing it in. Yeah. Because it was so difficult to
stack back being quite high on the deck.
That's it. Yeah, and you know, myself and the wife is the only people on board. So
short crew. So
yeah. So and this is going to make a massive difference. And I think we'll end up using it more because you can't be bothered to take it out some days if it's a short journey. Yeah. You just think, oh, can we just leave the mainsail because taking it up.
End up using only the furling jib.
Exactly, and that's not right, is it? So not in a lovely boat like this. So.
And you've gone for the integrated boom cover as well, so that's also a bonus and much easier than even closing the stack back, I'm sure, from before.
Yeah, I mean that just is unbelievably easy. Anyone can do it, and it takes seconds. We're not working at height. We're not, as you say, trying to get over the boom, which is quite high. And yeah, I think it's going to be a lot easier.
Yeah, and we've added a topping lid for you as well, so you can control the angle. And
yeah, we've got rid of all that bits of string and all the reefing lines. It's so much cleaner and less clutter. I'm sure it's going to be fantastic.
Well, yeah, thank you very much, Martin, and hopefully you'll have many hours of sailing, good sailing this season.
Well, thank you for doing everything on time. That was great, really great.
So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. We have over the years retrofitted over 20 furling booms and Furlerbooms, and we'll be happy to give you any advice or feedback on a new furling boom retrofit. And yeah, we fitted them a lot on the X-Yachts, but we do any brand as well. So please reach out if you would like any more information. And thanks for watching.